Fam, help me answer this question. Do you ever feel like your body's not quite ready for the day? Maybe your hips feel tight, or even you're holding tension in your sides? Well, if you've got an answer to that, this routine is designed to fire up your core, loosen up your hips, and stretch those areas that need it the most. Welcome to a quick but powerful 5-minute session to activate your body and balance strength with flexibility. You just need your mat, some comfy space, and a willingness to move. Today we're diving into 5 intentional stretches that target your hips, core, and upper body. These moves will leave you feeling grounded, balanced, and ready to tackle the day. Most people would actually skip this step in their morning routine, but not you. You're showing up, and that's what counts. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees, then lower it back down. Repeat for 30 seconds. Keep your core engaged to avoid swaying your lower back. Move smoothly and with control. Imagine you're drawing a semicircle with your knee. Switch to the left side now and repeat for 30 seconds, focusing on that same smooth and controlled movement. This move is fantastic for opening your hips and activating the glutes, which is essential for your posture and lower body strength. Beginners keep the range of motion smaller. Advanced, add a small pause at the top of the lift for an extra glute activation. Stay on all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping them parallel to the ground. Hold for a moment, then return to the starting position. Keep your spine neutral, don't arch or round your back. Engage your core to stabilize your balance. Imagine lengthening from your fingertips to your toes. Switch sides now, left arm and right leg for another 30 seconds. Stay focused on that balance and control. This stretch strengthens your core and improves balance while gently engaging your back and hips. Beginners keep the motion smaller by lifting only the arm or leg. Advanced, add a slight crunch by bringing your elbow to your opposite knee before extending again. Lie on the mat with your legs extended and feet pointing up. Place your hands on your thighs or on the floor for support. Keep your back tall and shoulders relaxed. Start a clasping motion with your toes and continue for 1 minute. This move looks simple, but it's a game changer for your foot flexibility and overall stability, especially if you've been on your feet or in tight shoes. Beginners, hold this position for shorter intervals and release as needed. Advanced, try spreading your toes further and add some ankle rotation for an extra challenge. Release your toes, shake them out if needed, and come into a deep squat position for our next move. From a deep squat, place your hands on the floor and press your palms together at your chest. Rotate your torso and extend your right arm toward the sky. Then return and switch to the left side. Keep your heels on the ground as much as possible. Open your chest as you twist and keep your gaze towards your lifted hand. Move slowly to feel the stretch in your hips and spine. This move targets your hips, spine, and shoulders in one dynamic flow, helping you feel both flexible and strong. Beginners keep your hands on the floor for extra balance. Advanced, hold the rotation for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. Rise up slowly and prepare to finish with a side bend to lengthen your torso. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your right hand on your hip and extend your left arm overhead, bending gently to the right. Keep your hips steady, don't let them tilt. Reach up and over to feel a deep stretch along your side. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to deepen the bend. This stretch relieves tension in your side body and improves flexibility in your obliques and shoulders. Beginners, keep the bend smaller and focus on reaching up. Advanced, hold a light weight in the extended arm for added resistance. Switch sides now to even out the stretch and bring balance to your body. If you sit at a desk and want to keep this energy going all day, check out the free gift I've got for you in the description. You won't want to miss it. Fam, you've just given your body the perfect morning wake up. You've strengthened, stretched, and energized every major area. Taking time to focus on your movement is a gift to yourself, and you're setting the tone for a strong and powerful day ahead. Just by you showing up, it means that you've won the day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.